dark. Now I'm so tired of hiding all these scars. Just walk away, don't turn around. No matter how I begged you, let me drown. You knew I'd fall apart. I walked barefoot on shattered pieces of us. Held on to hope when it was never enough. If not for your voice still stuck in my head, I might have lost myself somewhere instead. The stars kept falling quietly that night. I made a wish you'd stay right by my side, but I can't keep pretending you're still mine. Now I'm learning to say goodbye. By the fireplace at 6 a.m., your picture trembling in my hands. All the